this is the Hotel EMC2 on Roblox. It's owned by Nashville. And yes, this is basically based off of the hotel in Chicago, which is owned by Autograph, but this one is not. This one's owned by Nashville, which if I'm not mistaken. Yes, this hotel is really nice, even though there are some differences I want to point out. I know that the real one is much smaller, like the lobby itself. There used to be a bigger seating area, and there's also a stairwell behind the front desk. And anyways, your front desk is right there. You have your kiosk. So if you wanted to stay here, you can, scan your key card. And from there, you can just follow the prompts and, select your room. Anyways, moving on, here are the elevators. They're kind of Polaris. They're numbered just like how it is in real life. We have B for blue, G for green, and R for red. Let's go to 22. Yes, indeed. By the way, I am with Jeffrey Elevator Fan, YouTube user Jeffrey Fincom. So yeah, he's going to be showing me around. And yes, I did book a room here, so I have the key card right here. So first off, I'm going to see his room first. So, yep, he uses a key card. We can go in. Wow, look at this. So yeah, this is the bathroom. You have your sink, you have your mirror. I haven't stayed at this room, so I don't know what the rooms are like. But here's the shower. But if you're staying with someone else, there's no way to conceal your privacy. I believe this rod right here is supposed to be the curtains, is where the curtains should be. If that's the case, then that's great. But yeah, there's the shower. Oh, you got a couple elevator parts. Okay. Anyways, here's another mirror, and here is the TV. Very nice. And here's your wardrobe. And a few nightstands. You have 2 on each side and 1 in between. It's a double room, by the way. And yep, you can lay on the bed. See, let me zoom out a little bit. But yep, that's me with my feet up into the air. Oh, you have an old Otis, okay. Oh yeah, let's head down. So yeah, here's your room controls. You can close and open the shades. But yeah. And my room is right next to his. It's basically the exact same thing. I won't show it to you guys because it's exactly the same. But anyways, let's head down to... Oh yes, handicap.
2, 3, elevator.
Okay, so it looks like he's selected for 1. But yeah, this is nice. This is nice. There are some parts that didn't match exactly, but it does seem to resemble significantly in how it's like, because it's a boutique hotel. Yep, door close button works. We all like that. There's the first floor. But yeah, here's the lobby once again. And right here is where the bots, the robot butlers. But yeah, I'm gonna check in. Well, even though I already checked in, I'm gonna select my room again. Well, just to show you guys. So yeah, this one's gonna show you your information and stuff. Done. Select the room. So let's just say I want to go on to the top floor. So I go all the way, no, not all the way, because you can't see everything. Let's go all the way here, 2205. And boom, there you go. Head back up to 22.
Select floor group by pressing again. Select floor. Elevator.
And we got our B again. B is for blue. Alright, here we are at 22. And my room number is 2205, which is down the hall. And let's see, 2205. Let's see if this is it. Or not. No, 2206. I kind of forgot already. Alright, here's 2206. It's a king room, as you can see. There's only one bed. You have 2 nightstands, 1 on each side. You have your wardrobe like so on, and everything else pretty much matches what Jeffrey's room is like, so. But yeah, still, it's a pretty nice room. Yeah, it's a single bed. Yeah, it's a king room. But yeah, here's the bathroom once again. And shower. And these. And the thing up there is that's where the drapes are supposed to be. So you can get your own privacy when you brush your teeth or take a shower. But yeah, once again, here are your room controls. You can turn off the lights. Even though there's not much. Oh, yep. They do work, but you won't be able to, you know, see like how dark it is when it's off compared to when it is on. You can also open and close the shades. See, look at that. Look how cool this is. Boom. Alright, Jeffrey, where to next? And one thing that sucks is you need to scan your key card to get out of the room, which looks kind of weird, but, you know, that's what it is. Alright, Jeffrey is now going to show the balcony. So, which floor?
Select floor by pressing again.
Alright, second floor. Here we go.
Elevator.
Yep, these things run well, just like the one in Chicago. This one's in Roblox City, by the way. Alright, here we are at the second floor. And it's going to show me the balcony. Yep, there you go. That's the balcony. And you can look right out the front. You see? Nice view. And here's the sign. And yes, according to what Jeffrey said, the elevators here, I don't think it's Chicago for sure, these elevators used to be Otis in Roblox City. The one thing I hate about Roblox, it tends to like censor stuff when it's not that necessary. It usually does it whenever someone says a swear word, but somehow it censors other stuff, which I don't really like that much. But yeah, not sure what it's trying to say, some sort of buttons. But yeah, the modernization is great. Sorry, I gotta say that. The modernization is great. Well, yeah, I believe the second floor is like the mezzanine for the hotel. Oh, the classic level, nice. Yeah, pre-door is another term for classic level. All right, let's watch the classic level. Nice. But yep, there he goes. And anything else you want to show me? Well, yeah, that lantern is great. In the real version of the EMC2, they have these LCD screens above each door, or each car door, and it shows something nice, like whenever it's getting called. Like it shows like a lightning storm or something like that when it's getting called. So yeah, that's another good thing. Alright, where to next?
To floor on your left.
Alright, now we're gonna go back up to 22 for something. Oh, okay, we can do a few round trips. But anyways, let me take a look at the other cars. So yeah, we're gonna get up to 22, and we're gonna check out the other cars. Alright, so here we are at 22. We're gonna get one of the other cars since we've written car B a few times, so it's time for either car G or car R to have us, and looks like we're gonna get car G, which is the only one that serves floor 0 in the real life version of the EMC2. There is no floor 0 in this one, by the way. But anyways, here's car G, and as you can see, it's got a green colored wall in the back. B has a blue colored wall in the back. But yep, G stands for green. But yeah, the blue elevator is the one we've written on at the start, so there are 1, and yeah, now we're gonna get the red car, or car R. So yeah, we're gonna cut this part, and we'll get back to you once we get the red car. Alright, looks like we got the red car. As you can see, it's got a red colored wall in back. And I like this rug. The real version of EMC2 also has that too, where it's got a rug in the elevator. Very nice. Head back up to 22. Yes, I do agree with you, Jeffrey. These elevators are nice, especially with the color-coded cars. But yeah, let's head back down to 1. Yeah, these are Coney Polaris. And as what Jeffrey said earlier, these used to be Otis's. Not in the real life version, but in this version, the Roblox version. So, looks like we're going to go back up to 22. And yet, one last trip, then we'll end it off from there. Here we are at 22. And we're out back at 1. And let's take a closer look at the indicator this time. Alright, let's close the door. Uh-oh, did I ring the alarm? Oof. Alright, here we are at 1. Once again, these are fast. Alright, so watch the doors close. And that's it.